Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to activate deep sleep meditation on the period calendar application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the self-care option down below, which is the fourth option, and after that click on better sleep. Scroll down to the meditation section and click on day 1 deep sleep meditation. As you can see, the guided meditation will relax your mind and body, helps you to fall asleep fast. Here is the first meditation session, which is free, and the other ones are logged since they are only available to premium users, as you can see. So tap on the play button next to it and select the duration, 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Then tap on the button that you can find in the middle of the screen. You will be able to read these instructions in the middle of the screen.
This meditation.
And then you will be able to listen to the instructions as well. You need to follow them until the timer goes off. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.